Hi, my name is Priya. My question is a dividing question. It is 163 divided by 3. So the 163 is the dividend, the 3 is the divisor, and the quotient is unknown, so it's up here. So I'm going to start off with my estimation. Because it would be difficult for 163 to be divided by 3, we would have to find a much simpler way. So an easier way would be possibly dividing 3 into 15. It would be much easier. So 3 would go into 15 5 times, right? It's 5 times. And because it is in the 100s, we would add a 0. So 3 times a certain number would be 150, so it would be 50, and that would be our approximate quotient. Okay, so now that would be the estimation, yeah, or the 50. So now I'm going to look at the base 10 blocks. We have 3 as our divisor, 163 is our dividend, and these are the base 10 blocks for 163. So we have 100, we have 100, we have 10 tens and 3 ones. So what we need to do is divide the divisor 3 into 3 groups. We have 1, 2, 3. So I would ask the students first, can we break this 100 block into these 3 groups? The answer would be no. So what we would have to do is trade the 100 block for 10 tens. 10 10 blocks. So the result would look like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then the initial 6, 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 3 ones. So I'm going to drag the 10 blocks into each of these 3 equal groups. So we have 16 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you heard me say 15, right? We do have one remaining left, and we can't really split that one base 10 block into all three of these. So what we would need to do is what we did with the 100 block. We would split the 110 block into 10 1 blocks. So this would be removed, and now we have 10 1 blocks in place of the 110 block. Okay, so now we're going to split these 10 1 blocks into the 3 equal groups. So we have the 5, and 5 tens here. So now I'll move these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we do have one left over, and now we're going to count how many we have in each group. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 tens. So I'm just going to write 5 tens. So that would be 50. Oh. That would be 50. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4 ones. And that would give us 54. So when we also have 1 remaining, so our answer would be 54 remainder 1. Okay. So now we're going to move to my strategy. My pen fell. Okay, so we do have an estimation, and it was the 50. So what we can do is, based on our estimate of 150, we need to find a number that will multiply by 3 to equal 150. So that number would be 50. So So 3 multiplied by 50 would equal 150. So we have 3 and then we have 1 here. So now we need to figure out what times 3 would be 13. But that doesn't make sense, so we would need to find a number less than 13. So 3 times 4, or 3 times 4 would equal to 12. So we have 1 remaining left over. Because 3 can't go into 1 anymore, we're stopping at that. So we're going to now we're going to add the quotient we have right here. So it will be 50 plus 4 equals 54. And we do have 1 remaining, so we'll write that up here. 54, remainder 1.